Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by backing up. This protects photos and settings. Once backed up, make sure you know your current Apple ID password and have any two-factor device ready. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. When prompted, enter the Apple ID password to disable Find My iPhone. This step is required to sign out. Make sure to choose which data to keep locally before confirming sign out. Once signed out, power cycle the iPhone to clear cached credentials and make sure system services refresh. After the restart, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone, enter the new Apple ID and password. If two-factor authentication triggers, approve the sign-in on a trusted device or enter the verification code. Next, read and accept terms and conditions, then decide whether to merge contacts and data with the new Apple ID. This ensures iCloud sync resumes under the new account. To finish, verify the new Apple ID appears in Settings, the App Store, iMessage, and FaceTime, then review iCloud toggles for photos, contacts, and backups. If apps ask for the old Apple ID for purchases, sign out in the App Store and re-download under the new account. If you run into activation lock or two-factor problems, use your trusted device to retrieve codes or visit iForget. Apple. Calm to reset credentials, otherwise contact Apple support for activation lock removal assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.